Emma, wait.
What is it, James?
Look at this price tag.
Oh, $100?
That is too much for a shirt.
I think so too.
Let's see if there is a discount.
Excuse me, sir.
Is this shirt on sale today?
We saw a sign outside,
The sign said 30% off.
but the tag says $100.
Is the discount for all shirts?
Or just the blue ones?
I hope it is for this one.
Wait, look at the small text.
It says buy 2 shirts.
Oh, so we need 2 for the discount.
That is a small twist.
Well, I like the green shirt too.
Then let's get both of them.
That is a good deal for us.
We save $30 this way.
I love finding a good bargain.
It helps our everyday English practice too.
Yes, talking to staff is great.
Now we need some food.
The supermarket is next door.
Look at these apples, Emma.
They look very fresh and red.
But they are $5 a bag.
That is a bit expensive today.
Is there a membership discount?
I have the store card here.
Let's check the price at the machine.
Oh, wait a minute.
What is wrong, Emma?
The machine says $4.
That is a $1 discount.
But only if we buy 2 bags.
I can eat many apples this week.
Okay, let's take 2 bags then.
I like saving money on food.
Me too. It is very smart.
I need new running shoes.
These black shoes look very fast.
I like the style and color.
How much do they cost, James?
They are $80 right now.
Do you have a coupon?
I have a coupon on my phone.
Let me see the code.
Oh no, it expired yesterday.
That is very bad luck.
Wait, look at that shelf.
Those shoes are half price.
Why are they so cheap?
The box is just a bit broken.
But the shoes are perfect.
That is a great twist for us.
I will take the broken box.
$40 is a great price.
I am very happy now. I want a new laptop.
Laptops are usually very expensive.
This one is $900.
That is a lot of money.
Do they have a student discount?
You are a student, James.
I have my student ID card.
Let's ask the manager here.
Hello, do students get a discount?
The manager is checking now.
He says yes, 10% off.
That saves you $90.
Wait, he is saying more.
He says we get free headphones too.
Wow, that is a big surprise.
This is a lucky day for tech.
I can use these for my lessons.
Learning is better with new gear.
I am very hungry now.
This Italian restaurant looks nice.
Look at the lunch menu.
Is there a lunch special?
Yes, it is $12.
Does it include a drink?
It includes water or soda.
That is a good price for lunch.
Wait, look at the clock.
It is 2 o'clock now.
The special ended at 1.
Oh no, we are too late.
Let's ask the waitress anyway.
Maybe she can help us.
She says she can still do it.
She is very kind to us.
We got the discount after all.
This is perfect for basic English conversation.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
I want to see the comedy.
The tickets are $15.
Is there a group discount?
No, it is just 2 of us.
What about a Tuesday discount?
Today is actually Tuesday, Emma.
Oh, you are right.
Let's check the website price.
The website says $10 today.
That is $5 cheaper.
Wait, the website is down.
We cannot buy tickets online.
That is a strange problem.
Let's talk to the ticket seller.
He says he will match the price.
So we still pay $10.
I love Tuesday movie nights.
We need to go home.
Should we take the bus?
The ticket is $3.
Is there a weekly pass?
A weekly pass is $20.
We travel every day, James.
So the pass saves us money.
Let's buy the pass now.
Wait, the machine is red.
Is it out of paper?
No, it only takes coins.
We only have paper money.
Look, there's a shop.
We can get coins there.
The shop owner gave us change.
Now we have our bus pass.
Traveling is cheaper this way.
I want a new book.
This book is about travel.
It costs $25.
Is there a clearance section?
Yes, it's in the back.
Let's go look there, James.
Oh, look at this pile.
All books are $5.
I found the travel book.
Is it the same one?
Yes, it just has a sticker.
That is a huge discount.
I feel like a winner.
Reading is great for our English.
I will read this tonight.
Can I borrow it later?
Of course you can, James.